Light titanium, dark titanium with custom leather appointed seat trim. Spotless one owner. Look. 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 Stop clicking the mouse because this charming 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe is the one-owner SUV you've been thirsting for. It is nicely equipped with features such as premium smooth ride suspension package, light titanium, dark titanium with custom leather appointed seat trim, 3.08 rear axle ratio, third row seats, split bench, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6-way power driver seat adjuster, 6-way power front passenger seat adjuster, 9 speakers, ABS brakes, adjustable pedals, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, WCD player and MP3 playback, automatic temperature control, automatic tri-zone air conditioning, Bode side moldings, Bose premium 9-speaker audio system feature, bumpers, body color, CD player, custom leather appointed seat trim, delay-off headlights. Driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front center armrest, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, front halogen fog lamps, front reading lights, front reclining bucket seats, front wheel independent suspension, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, heated driver and front passenger seats, heated front seats, heavy-duty rear locking differential, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power passenger seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, rear air conditioning, rear anti-roll bar, rear audio controls, rear reading lights, rear seat center armrest, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle starter system, roof rack, security system, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed control, split folding rear seat, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, variably intermittent wipers, and voltmeter. Having had only one previous owner means that this terrific Tahoe is sure to be a favorite among our more educated buyers. Hubert Vester Auto Group, big enough to serve you, small enough to care.